Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to use a custom resolution in DayZ. So right now on DayZ you only have these base resolutions that they have, which honestly aren't that great. So in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to make custom resolutions and use them in DayZ. Alright, so the first step to creating a custom resolution to use on DayZ is actually creating the resolution itself. What you're going to do is when you're on your desktop, you're going to want to right click, go to the video control panel, and this only works with NVIDIA graphic cards. I'm not sure how to do it with Radeons. But once you're in this little menu, you're going to want to go to change resolution, come down here to this resolution right here, which is my native. It might not look like this for you, it might be whatever your native resolution is. You're just going to want to press customize, check this box right here, create a custom resolution for yourself, whatever you want to use. I already have mine created. I use 1660 by 1080 and also sometimes use 1440 by 1080. But after you do that, you're going to want to press test, apply, and save it. And then you'll see the custom resolution that you made up here. So after that's done, you can close that out. And basically the whole part of playing DayZ on a stretch resolution is changing your monitor's resolution outside of DayZ. So to do that, you just come down here to start, type in display, open up your display settings, come down here to display resolution, and for me I'm going to select 1600 by 1080 because that's the one that I use. So I'll select the resolution, press keep changes, and make sure after you're done doing that you come down here to advanced display settings and set your refresh rate. For some reason by default mine goes to 60 instead of 144. So basically after you're done doing that, you're free to open up your DayZ. So I'm going to open up my DayZ on my server that I play on, and I'll be back with you guys when I'm in. Alright, so we are now in DayZ, and for some reason OBS doesn't capture stretch resolutions that well, so you're going to see black bars on the left and right of my screen, but I promise you it is stretched. And if we go here to settings, you can see that my resolution is 1600 by 1080 like I said it. So yeah, guys, that's all you have to do to get stretch resolution in DayZ. I can't even say resolution, stretch resolution in DayZ. Be careful though, if you alt tab and switch your display resolution, sometimes when you tab back in, it'll go to the closest one to your custom resolution, which I think for me is like 1600 by 900, and it looks terrible. But anyway, guys, that is how you get a custom stretch resolution in DayZ. And beware, every time you do close and reopen DayZ, you have to set your display resolution on Windows to whatever you want to play on. It doesn't save in game. There's no real fix for it to do that. You just have to set it every time you play. But yeah, anyway, that is how you get a custom stretch resolution in DayZ.